In this video, we are going to show you how to make your Emergent AI project private. Now, making your Emergent AI project private, it involves using the paid subscription. So no beating around the bush. You need to be subscribed to the standard or pro version. You need to have the paid subscription, right? It offers secure hosting because the free tier generally has limited public facing features. So Emergent says that you can secure your project by upgrading using specialized agents for data protection and managing access controls. That comes with the paid subscription. So again, pro and standard, right? Another way you can do this is to implement authentication. So what do you mean? You can use Emergent's built-in authentication options, email, OTP, or social logins, just like anything else, which is going to be located in your account settings, right? If you have the paid plan, so as you can see here, you have preference and so on and so forth. But those are pretty much the only two options. If you're using this for free, you don't really have any leeway in terms of like privating or securing your personal projects. But then again, if you really want to invest in the project you're doing, you're pretty much going to be paying for your subscription with Emergent. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.